But here's where it gets controversial. The Tendring Jobs and Skills Fair this year offers hands-on experiences that bridge the gap between career exploration and real-world application. At around 1,000 attendees, visitors gained insights into diverse industries through interactive workshops, virtual reality simulations, and live demonstrations. One standout experience was a virtual climb of an offshore wind turbine, offering a glimpse into key sectors. Events like this aren't just about finding jobs. They're about sparking ambition, empowering individuals, and helping them realize their potential. This is exactly what happened at Brightlingsea Harbour, where a promising candidate, Millie, was hired after standing out during the fair. The Tendring for Growth Business Fortnight continues to build on this success, supporting both job seekers and businesses with tailored events focused on growth opportunities.